Right, stupid o'clock in the morning, couldn't sleep, so might as well get up at 5 o'clock or something and do this. So yeah, this has been delivered from someone, and apparently it doesn't do an awful lot. So this is what we get. That's all it does, just beeps like that. So it's pretty much going to be what the other ones were, I imagine. So let's take it apart and then we can sort it out. Getting there slowly. Serious amount of dust in this thing though. Jesus Christ. State that, look. So get rid of that while we're in there, and it will probably run a bit cooler after. Why Sony has to use so many screws, I will never know. It's ridiculous, but that's all them out. Wowzers. This thing must have been getting seriously hot. That's the BIOS chip, so we'll get that plugged in and programmed. Right, so we're plugged in. That's all been wiped, so we just need to write it now. Let's program in that. That's all written now, just in the verify, just to double check we're all good. It's all verified, so that's done. There we go. Cleaner in there now. No longer has world supply of dust going on. Right, could put these 5 billion screws back in now. Right, power in, no beep so far. There you go. We're all good. White light shows it's booted. Ready to send back to the customer, so there you go, job done.